In this economy, you need to learn how to use cheap and affordable lotions to glow your skin. Don't let anybody lie to you. Affordable lotions do work. The only thing you need to learn is tips and tricks on how to apply these body lotions to give you your skin goals, to give you that smooth, radiant, and glowy skin that you desire. So worry no more, because I'm going to teach you how to use lotions like these to achieve your skincare goals. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here again. Thank you so much. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am Felicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I am really grateful. So today I'm going to talk about how to glow your skin using cheap body lotions. When I hear a lot of people say I don't use Nivea, I don't use Vaseline lotion, I don't use Dove because they darken my skin, they are not good, I laugh at them. I laugh because they are ignorant of how to use these body lotions to effectively glow and have a supple skin. So if you're on this table, come with me. Let me teach you how to use these cheap and affordable products to glow your skin. For you to get the best out of this body lotion, there are some tips that you need to follow. Don't worry, that is why I'm here to teach you. You know, these body lotions are formulated with mild and gentle ingredients that when you do not use them properly, it will be as if they are not working, but they are working. So these are some of the things that you need to do in order for you to have the best out of these cheap body lotions and achieve a radiant, glowing skin. The first thing that you need to do when you're using products like Nivea, you're using Dove or Vaseline body lotions, you need to understand that these products are formulated with very mild ingredients. So what you need to do is to get a lightening soap. Get a very good lightening soap. You cannot be using products like this and you're not using a lightening soap. My dear, it will not work. It will be as if it's not working. It's working, but just that the ingredients here are so mild and gentle that it will take so much time for them to work. So you need a lightening body soap. You can get the extract papaya, calamansi soap, or you get the Ashanti papaya soap. These are very good lightening body soaps that will help you to gently exfoliate your skin. These soaps contain papaya and calamansi that will brighten your skin. These are brightening ingredients that will brighten your skin. They will also gently exfoliate you to remove dead skin cells from your body. So if you're using Nivea, if you're using Dove, or you're using Vaseline body lotion, the first point of call is for you to get a very good lightening soap. Get a good lightening soap like extract, or you can get Ashanti papaya. These soaps will help to lighten you. They will mildly exfoliate you. They will help you to remove dirt and impurities from your body because they contain very good natural ingredients like a papaya. Papaya is very rich in vitamin C, which will help to brighten you. It is also an antioxidant that will help to fight free radicals that damages your skin. Then they also contain calamansi. Calamansi here will mildly exfoliate your skin. And apart from that, it will also open up your pores so that every other product, especially this your cheap lotion, will work very well. When your pores are open, the lotion that you're using now will penetrate very well into your skin. So get a very, very good lightening bar soap for you to achieve a good result using products like this. Get a very good bar soap. I am using this Nivea. This is Nivea Radiance Beauty Even Glow. This is a very good cream, but for me to achieve the skin I have here, I'm using a very good lightening soap. So for you to achieve the best out of this lotion, get a very good lightening bar soap. I have told you, you can get the extract or you can get the Ashanti papaya. Now, how do you use this soap for best results? I would advise you that you use the lathering method. When you get into your bathroom, use your scrub glove, use it, lather the soap in that your glove, use it to rub on your skin, gently exfoliating your skin. Allow it to stay for 3 to 5 minutes. This will enable the lather to penetrate into your skin, to bring out impurities, to bring out dirt. Allow that lather to stay on your skin for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you wash it off. After washing it off, you pat your body dry, then you come in with this your cheap lotions. This will effectively make the lotion to penetrate into your body, because the lightening soap has opened up your pores. It has cleaned dirt and impurities from your skin. It has mildly exfoliates you to bring out dead skin from your skin surface. So it will help this body lotion, it will help this body lotion to work very well. So don't allow anybody to lie to you that these lotions are not working. These lotions work very well. Use this lotion with a lightening body soap and you will see the wonders that this product will produce on your skin. Now, the next thing that you need to know about lotions like this is that you need to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week, because exfoliation will not only open up your pores, it will bring out dead skin cells from your skin surface, it will help with skin cell regeneration, it will help to bring out all the dirt and impurities that your lightening soap couldn't bring out. So if you exfoliate your skin, you are opening the pathway for this lotion to really work on your skin. Exfoliate 2 times in a week. If you exfoliate more than that, you will be over exfoliating. So exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week. After exfoliating your skin, you come in with your lightening soap. After exfoliating your skin, do not use your scrub glove again that day, because you have exfoliated your skin. If you do like that, you will be over exfoliating your skin. Just lather the soap, lather your lightening soap on your hand. Use it to rub all over your body, rub it all over your body, rub it all over your body. Allow the lather of that your lightening soap. After exfoliation, allow the lather of that your lightening soap to stay on your body for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you wash it off. After washing it off, you pat dry and then you come in with your cheap lotion. Girl, if you do this, people will be asking you the same way they used to ask me. They'll be asking you, what lotion are you using? What lotion are you using? And most of them, if I tell them I'm using Nivea, they just look at me somehow. I laugh. I laugh at them because they don't know how to use it. Instead of them to ask, they are forming. My dear, don't form. The economy is so hard. So do what I have said. And lastly, there's something I would like to state. If you really, really want your skin to pop, if you really, really want your skin to pop, after using your lightening soap and after exfoliating, remember you're exfoliating just 2 times in a week, get a body oil. Get a body oil, sis. This body oil, after applying your body lotion, you now apply your body oil on your skin. Girl, your skin will shine. Your skin will be popping. There are a lot of affordable body oils that you can get. Like the Desa Vitamin C body oil goes for just 3,000 naira. Girl, go get that oil. You can use it for 2 to 3 months before you exhaust that bottle. So get it after using your lightening soap or exfoliating. You go in with this lotion, then after that you go in with your body oil. Firstly, this body oil will help to provide more nourishment to your skin. It will help you to lock in every other product that you have used in order to enable the product to work very well. These body oils are so nourishing. They provide oil to your skin. Apart from that, they provide nutrient that your skin needs to strive and look so beautiful. So guys, you can look glowy. You can have a beautiful, glowing, radiant skin using cheap body lotions like this, like Dove, like Vaseline. Just do what I have said. And if you have any further question, please do not forget to ask those questions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. Do well to like this video, share this video, leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.